We are back! Make some noise!
I'm just like saying, easy, and I'm basically just congratulating everybody being here. You get? Yeah.
One by one, you will be called. Brian.
Yes, Biggie.
Saif.
Yes, big brother.
Kindly move away from the head of house. Kindly put a smile on your face.
Because guess what? We have a new housemate. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Deji!
6'4" are you, man? 6'4". Jeez. How about you? Good night.
Please welcome Modella!
Guess what? I don't give a damn. I fucking told you. What do you want me to do? I said dance with everybody in that hall. I don't want to dance here. I was very direct.
It will happen like this. You'd like, I'll never talk again. I don't talk to her. See, you're in this house. Don't let anybody ride you.
Why you insecure?
Beauty.
Yes, Biggie.
You are hereby immediately disqualified from the Big Brother house.
Okay, Biggie.
No, don't.
You must leave.
Bro!
Which kind ninja?
Oh, hi, Cheesy.
Hello.
Cheesy, you
Like, I
can
understand.
I'll take that again. In preparation for this week's nomination process, Big Brother will like all housemates to pack their bags and place them in the main lounge. Housemates have until the head of house game to pack all their belongings neatly and place them in the main lounge.
I said I would love to change levels.
Groovy. When you get back inside, you must immediately pack your bags and say goodbye to your fellow level 2 housemates. From this very moment, the levels are hereby scrapped. No more level 1. No more level 2.
Chichi, as promised, here is your punishment. You have been provided with a pen and a notebook. You must write the following sentence on all the pages of the notebook. I will never destroy the property of my fellow housemates. Why will you tell me I will go home? Because you are done!
And what would you like Big Brother to do?
To help us to go to the market to buy salt, please.
Introducing the tail of the house.
Give us, girl.
You have won your wager. Housemates, the salon is now open.
I knew already.
Amaka,
Yes, big bro.
you have 10 seconds to leave Big Brother's house.
If you are the fake housemate, please step forward. All right, Modella, I guess he doesn't want to leave. Deji, please step forward.
Okay.
Why can't you respect
and then
the fact
you only
that
care about yourself then?
I only
so
care
that's
about
cool.
myself?
Yeah, you only care about yourself. You don't care about your friendships. You don't care about your relationships.
Yes, because I like Saif. That's the difference.
Your head of house.
Does this mean we are not out?
Don't jump.
I was crying. I was like, oh my God, I'm
Yes, big brother.
Doyen. Hello, Swag.
Yes, big brother.
Chunk.
Yes, big brother.
It is time to leave the Big Brother house.
This is a collective mandate as a collective.
Chad.
Yes, big brother.
Big Brother hereby issues you a strike.
Really hurtful.
I don't want to cry. I'm not crying.
Rachel. No, it's not. You can say your goodbyes to her. The next housemate to be evicted, Cheesy.
Is it up?
I feel like what's happening.
So, congratulations and good luck to the rest of you.
Left, right,